Hey guys, it's Erin, and I'm sharing my website for my Tech Slam Jam. And the website that I'm using is Recap, and it's a good online discussion type tool. So I'm going to play the quick start guide because that's going to show you a little bit more about it, and it will be a lot quicker than me.
Recap is an educational chat tool that works like a Twitter chat, but it's safe enough for your students and augmented with video. Let's take a look at how to set up our first chat. We'll start off by creating a queue where our first chat will take place, and we'll input the topic for that chat. Next, you can set up some information about your chat and pick a way for your participants to join. For most chats, you'll want them to join via a pin, which makes it really easy for them to hop in and start chatting. But if you want to add a little bit more security to your chat, you can choose the email and password sign-in option. And we even have integrations with Google Classroom, so you can pull all your students' information in from there. Now you'll want to set up the queue so the chat is all ready for when your participants join. One way to do this is to add in the questions that you want them to discuss via text. You can do this at the top of the queue, and all the questions will be there and ready for all your participants to come in and start responding to via text. Another way to kick off the chat in your queue is to use a journey. Journeys allow the moderator to introduce a topic using video and provide context for the chat's topic with supporting online resources. You can create your own journey by recording your video and gathering content, or you can use someone else's journey from Recap Discover and add this to the queue. Set up for your chat, you can really easily copy and paste all the information that your participants need to join.
Second thing that I want to share is Google Keep. It's really an organizational tool. You can get it, I love it because it's a Google app, so obviously, you can get it on the Google app icon. You just click the icon, and then you click on Google Keep, and you have on your phone, on your device at home, I have it at school, everything, all of my ideas are always saved. You can collaborate with other people, so add them to the note, and I've kind of run meetings that way before, and it's really effective. The other thing I wanted to share really quick is something that I've recently found, and I just put it in one of my Google Keep notes, but teachers to follow on Instagram, just another way to use social media that you probably all know about, but I have recently found that it's really neat and inspirational. So anyways, there's lists all over Pinterest, and I have a list here too, and I can share that with you guys in the Tech Slam Jam list. Thanks. Bye.